Hey guys, Ken Kaplan here on the second floor of the New England Motorcycle Museum. Today we've got the definition of unobtainium in the metal, in the flesh, right here. This is a genuine Honda Mugen ME460 kit. This is the factory special Mugen Works air-cooled Super Pro kit that was made in 1981. So what does that make it? 91, 30, almost 40 years old, 39 years old. Never used, brand new NOS. If you're building a vintage AMHR bike or you want to build a Mugen replica, this is the components you have to have. It includes the high compression piston and a set of the rings we took out of the box so you could see it, the base gasket, the head gasket, the intake gasket, and the heavy duty exhaust gasket, heavy duty clutch springs. If you want your 450 to be a 500 killer, this is it. Air cooled head, obviously never used, and also the cylinder, brand new, never used. Just a stunning piece of high performance factory unobtainium artwork, basically. So I haven't seen one of these sell in the last few years. The last one I saw sell was for $5,000. I don't know what the current street value of this will be. We're going to auction it off, and all the proceeds are going to fund the museum. So it includes the hat, competition, power unit supplier, Mugen Power. So and the box, everything will be boxed back up super carefully. And also you get the seat cover. This has never been opened. This is a Mugen ME460 seat cover for the 81 CR450. So that's about it. If you have any questions, give us a call, 860-454-7024. If you are into vintage Honda race bikes and you want the fastest air-cooled 450 made, this 460 kit is the way to go. So good luck bidding on it. God bless America.